Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about the G20 summit. So first of all, we have to know when it was started. It was started since the collapse of Soviet Union, and also it led to the end of Cold War. So many countries were dependent on Soviet Union, so the economies of that countries also get collapsed. So there was a discussion about the global economic problem, and so many countries had thought about, there should be a platform where all countries will be united and they will discuss the common economic problems. But this thing has been not taken seriously that day. But in 1997 there was a serious economic problem in Asian country and so many East Asian countries. The economics were in critical situation, so they had seriously thought about this thing. They had formed this grouping of G22, in which 22 countries had taken part. It has become the G33 group, in which 33 countries had took part. But in 1999 it has been come to the serious discussion and has become G20 group, which is now G20 group, in which 19 countries and are participant, and one there is a European Union. So in 2008 there were many global financial crises that were coming to the world. So when the economic crisis came, the European leader was France. So France discussed the matter with the G7 leaders, but they are not influential as G20 leaders. So they discussed with G20 as there were many economy and powerful countries were present, and they decided to go with G20 leaders. So all the countries united together and they had thought seriously about this problem, and there should be an annual summit and economic problem of the world. And since that time, media has taken attention towards G20 grouping and it has come into the public picture. So all the countries united together and discussed about the economic crisis and other problems of the world, and they thought that there should be a annual meeting every year so that they can share the ideas and thought, so they can meet the solution and help other countries too. So this was a brief idea about the G20 summit, and we discussed here how it was started. And if you want to see the video of G20 Summit 2023 that was held in India, and please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.